buddy Denny here. Well, let's go ahead today and start laying some color down, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. We're doing this painting in the style of Georges Braque, okay? Which means it's going to be fun. All right, now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to paint in a background, okay? And I've already pre-dampened this paper, so we're okay with it that way. Okay, we're going to put the background in like this. We're going to bring it all the way down here like that. Remembering this paint is going to dry lighter than it goes on. Okay, we're going to come down here with it. We're going to come down the window border with it. Okay, we're going to let it be a little lighter, a little darker, whatever it wants to be. And we're doing our best not to be sloppy, because sloppy is not good. Okay, there we go. Now we get it in here and it comes all the way down like that, okay? And it's okay to be variegated, lights and darks and darks and lights. That's perfectly all right. Now, for the inner aspect of that, we're going to put this in like that. Okay, we're going to work our way around the bottle like that. Just like that. Okay, and down through here like that, and over on the other side. Now be with me tomorrow, and we'll do some work on the window, and we will continue on working with the table and getting our darks put in, okay? So be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. Okay, we got some color down. Now, tonight I'm going to do some off-camera work. I'll explain it tomorrow, and we will continue on with our Braque still life. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.